Everybody, it's Jeff from New York coming to you from the beautiful Norwegian gem. I am somewhere between the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean right now. I've been here for several days and I want to give you guys a tour of my cabin. It's obviously a balcony cabin. I'm out on the balcony right now. I originally booked an interior room, but I placed a bid. They do these like bid things where they can upgrade you if you place a good bid to an upgraded room, which obviously the balcony is an upgrade to the interior. I bid $150, and that $150 did win my bid for the balcony. So for $150, I got a nice upgrade, and considering it's 11 days long this cruise, that's a nice upgrade for the price. So I want to show you around right now. Hopefully you'll enjoy the cabin. It's been very comfortable. It's spacious considering it's a regular ship balcony cabin, but quite pleased with the size of it, quite pleased with the bathroom and the comfort of the bed and just all the amenities involved. Lots of storage. Let me show you around.
Don't even ask in the comments. I couldn't for the life of me figure out what this tiny shelf was for. Maybe you have an idea. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. And a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Cabby in one of my Jeff Drives Around New York City videos. That's a new series showing here for this summer on weekends here on the New York channel. He found Cabby in the 5th Avenue video. Congratulations, Robert. Even though my trip is all-inclusive, it's not really all-inclusive. I can drink all the alcohol I want for free, but when it comes to water, you have to pay for it, believe it or not. I ordered 6 liters of water, and it was waiting for me when I got to my cabin, as well as the tickets to all my excursions. Just a quick freeze frame to talk about a couple things here. This Freestyle Daily is delivered to your room every day when your room is made up. As you can see, this is day 1. It discusses everything going on the ship or in port that might be of interest to you. Like if you're visiting San Juan, it tells you points of interest you might be interested in checking out. And again, it's different every day. If it's a different port, it's going to tell you different things. It also gives you the hours of all the restaurants and lounges on the ship, as well as what parties are going on, what exhibitions are going on, things like that. Just everything that has to do with the ship for that day. So it's pretty much a Bible for your visits here on the Norwegian Gem. Of course, one of the most important things the Freestyle Daily does is keeps you abreast of what the drink of the day is. And right above that, you'll see an outlet. This one is 110 volts. I call that a regular or a standard or an American outlet. Ship cabins typically don't have that many outlets. My cabin had 2 American and 2 European. The Europeans really don't do much for you unless you bring a converter. Not an adapter, but a converter. Some people bring adapters and then realize that it doesn't convert the voltage and you really can't plug anything in. So you need a converter. What I do is I bring one of those, you know those things that you plug into the wall? It turns one outlet into like 3 or 4 or 5 different outlets. I bring one of those with me. That seems to be just enough for my laptop and charging the phone and any other accessories I might have. They do not allow, and it's pretty strict, they don't allow surge protectors on board. Of course, there's always a risk of fire on a ship, and that's like the ship's worst thing that could possibly happen. So they're very strict with electrical stuff. As a matter of fact, housekeeping is told if anything is plugged in while I'm not in the room, they're to unplug it. They don't want anything plugged in while I'm not in the room. And on a lot of ships, not this one in particular, but on a lot of ships, when you turn the cabin lights off, everything goes off, including the plug. So just stuff to keep in mind. Norwegian Cruise Line has quite an extensive room service menu, and again, it's all inclusive, so you can just order room service as much as you want. However, keep in mind there is a service fee. I think it was $4.99. I could be wrong, but it's very nominal. And again, the food is free. You just have to pay that service fee every time you order room service. They also leave little breakfast door hanger cards in your room, and you check off what you would like for breakfast, and you have to hang it on your door before 4 a.m., and you check off what time you would like breakfast. It's like 7:30, 8, 8:39, and it will be waiting for you when you wake up right outside your door. This little love seat actually opens up into another bed. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Just a little editing faux pas here. You sharp New Yorkers remember that the introduction was shot while I was at sea, and this cabin tour was actually shot while I was still in port in Manhattan. We didn't even leave yet, so a little editing faux pas. Hey, you get what you pay for, right? If you noticed during the cabin tour that there was a adjoining room door in the cabin, and these deck doors also open. You have to ask the steward to open them, but if you're like a family and you have two cabins that are attached to each other, you can also open up the deck so that it becomes larger. And that's it, cabin 10024 on deck 10. I certainly had a wonderful stay here on the Norwegian Gem. Lots of videos coming up. The room was very comfortable. It was rather spacious for a ship cabin. I'm glad I got that upgrade to the deck, and let me know what your thoughts are. Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.